Alright, Pixels have always been very special, so much so that even after so many not so great launches, people still seem to love them. And even after problems like network connectivity, overheating, mediocre specs, and a crazy high price, people still go after Pixels. I'm really not sure why that is, but I do know one phone that made Pixel, well, Pixel. Yes, I'm talking about the OG Pixel, the Pixel 1, and this Pixel phone has absolutely zero haters. Actually, this phone is a great example that smartphone brands were way more generous in the past, and they also cared a lot about innovation. If I talk about the innovations first, this phone brought a lot of it. First of all, imagine this, a phone with a single camera, there's no ultra-wide, no telephoto, no crazy hardware, and not even OIS. Would anyone in their right mind consider this as a camera phone? No, I don't think so. But turns out this was ranked the best camera phone of the year. The single only camera was not only beating the dual camera setup on iPhones, but it was also ranked #1 on the DxOMark website. And how did they do it? Well, Google put their biggest strength to use, their software. Yes, Google's software game is pretty strong, and with Pixel, they finally got a chance to go full throttle, and when it happened, it was so magical that even iPhone copied it later. Just to give you some insight, Google used HDR Plus instead of the usual HDR. This is how it works. It clicks one bright photo and takes multiple darker photos of the same scene, and after analyzing them, it merges the best parts of all the photos, and the end result is a high quality natural looking photo with controlled highlights, brighter shadows, and very less noise. And not just that, even the portraits from Pixel were insanely good at that time. Basically, it was Google's way of saying that smartphone photography is not about camera specs or sensor size, it's actually about algorithms and processing. Even now, if I just put Pixel 1 photo against the Pixel 10 photo, it'll be very hard for you to tell them apart. Photo 1 is from Pixel, by the way. And oh, since it was all software, a lot of developers ported the Gcam from Pixel to other Android devices, and that alone took the camera performance of other phones from this to this. Apart from the powerful camera, Pixel 1 was also the first phone to come with Google Assistant built in. It was honestly a huge move because first, it was exclusive only to Pixel phones at the launch. Second, it was way better than Siri in terms of responses, understanding the context, and third, who would have thought that Google Assistant will eventually become Gemini, which is now so powerful that even Apple is taking its help to make Siri usable, better. Pixel 1 was also the first time Google did Android the way they always wanted to do. There were no bloatwares, no duplicate apps, zero wait for Android updates, and no involvement from any other brand. And most importantly, it used to work smoothly even with not so flagshipy specs. In fact, we still use a decade-old Pixel 1 quite regularly in our office, and it's still very usable. I wish I could say the same about current generation phones. See, all of these features are definitely very cool and they made the Pixel 1 stand out, but there's one thing that is completely unreal, especially in 2026, and that is the free unlimited cloud storage, and that too for life. Now that the RAM and SSD prices are competing with gold prices, this phone still gives you unlimited Google Photo storage in original quality for life. And there was no asterisk to the offer because we are still using this feature on our Pixel 1, which is just insane. Honestly, this is why I said that back in the day, smartphone brands were very generous and they actually cared for the users. And this unlimited backup offer was one of the biggest example of that. Now, Pixel 1 is not entirely flawless. There are some things that were missing, like no wireless charging, no IP rating, single speaker, and it was also pretty expensive at launch. And just so you know, it was also the first and the last Pixel phone to have a headphone jack. But still, I personally think that Pixel 1 was the purest and the most honest attempt at making the best Android phone ever, and for the year 2016, they surely succeeded. Actually, with Pixel, Google was not trying to impress anyone with specs, design, or even something fancy. It just took decently good hardware, paired it up with their superior software, and the end result is this phone which has absolutely zero haters. Now let me just end this video with one simple question. In last 1 year, do you think there's any phone that has zero haters? I look forward to replying to your comments, and that's it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.